Good morning, traders. This is Ifa Investment Fund, and today I want to explain and teach you a way I trade. This past week, the market been down about 1%, basically flat, and I did awesome. This week, I can't complain. A few of my team members did very well. We started a new process in which I want to explain to you because you got to see it so you could believe it. So I'm on my Qcoin exchange and I am going to get my bonus. I haven't been trading Bitcoin as much because I'm a bull and I want Bitcoin to go up, so I don't go the extra step to short it because I'm getting stopped out. So let's go see why we're getting stopped out. Oh, look at this. I have Ethereum and I'm up 43% on Ethereum short. My entry point is 233 and it's 229. I'm making 15 cents of Tether. See how easy it is? Let me put a stop loss right now. Let me take 50%. Let me get out at 23. Let's see if they let me get out at 23 even. So my entry point is 23.90 and I'm moving my stop loss to 23.90. That's it. I'm gonna take profits, but I'm gonna let it ride for a little while until I see a reversal. I'm gonna confirm that. You guys saying, well, you don't move up higher? Because I have a mental stop. I've been trading for a while and I obey my rules when it comes to my mental stops. Some of you cannot do it, so you define your risk immediately. You don't do mental stops unless you started trading for a little while. So let's get to the charts. This is the S&P 500, and as you can see, it's making a double bottom here. This is the daily chart. I want to see the S&P break this level right here. I don't know where it is. It's about 3,000. So I could go short. If it stays above that 33.03 here, 30.03, I'm bullish. Could make another W going to the high. The 50% retracement on this is 28. As you could tell, I'm shorting to here if it breaks this level. So I'm shorting to here if it breaks this level. Another thing I want to show you that I've been doing and it's been working out very, very well is checking out this page is checking the insiders. I like to see the insiders. I like to see who's selling. I like to see who's buying. But I go a step further and I see who's the buyers. Let's see who's the buyers. Ma David. I like to see if I know anyone. Not personally, but know anyone famous that's buying right now. That's very important. The backer. Okay. That sounds familiar. The backer, isn't that the guy from Gavin the Becker? No, Gavin? The guy from NYPD police, whatever. Let's see. It's a TV show. Gavin the Becker. Weird. Um, but they in information technology. They're not in biotech. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they are in biotech. Who knows? So I look here, and I like to see the shares and the value. If these two have high numbers, value in dollars, and in shares, I'm paying attention to this. For example, Jack Schiller from SLNO, Soleno Therapeutics, been buying this stock. He bought Friday, the 26th, and he bought it at 165. He bought 7 million shares. That's pretty high for me. And this is 12 million in dollars. And he's been buying every day since March. Look at this. March 21st, every day he's been buying. He's been buying at 232. March 22nd. Pretty high. The market came down. As you could tell, look. Look where it is. It's at 184. He bought Friday, yesterday, and he bought at 165. So he keeps buying and buying and buying and buying. And he's not buying a couple of shares. He's buying thousands of shares. Maybe they got the stimulus check, but this is alarming to me. So let's go to see. Let's find out why are they buying so many. Do they know something we don't know? And by the way, this is a swing trade. So you want to give it time to work. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's go to the daily chart. So right now, this is a special, this is an important, not special, an important level of support. Right at 179. So at 179, that's the level of support. On a bigger time frame, this is actually a double top. It's really wide apart. Let's go here, and let's go here. The reason I'm putting these lines on my daily chart is because I want to know the range of this stock. So right now this stock is overbought. It's about to do a golden cross on the MACD. When a stock is oversold, it's over here. And what happens when the stock is oversold? It comes down. So right now, I want to see some action here before I get in. And I want to make sure that it holds 184. If it holds, 179, 180. If it holds 180, I might want to get into this trade. Now, here's just a sell. Honestly, TradeView is very good, and I believe it. So, this is alarming. So, this has to obey certain rules. What I want to show you is, this is This is my entry point. When we see a tie state in this area right here, see how it says tie state? And it's a green candle on top of the moving averages. This would have been my entry point right here for the upside. Right here. And my stop loss would be my stop loss would be not even 1 penny under the bar where I got in. Right there. And as you can see, it never caught it. Because it continued to go up. Even when it came down, it went to the 20 moving average. And it went away from the moving average. Then it came back to the moving average. So usually I take profits here. And when it comes back in, I get in again. Or I add. And when it goes away from the 20 moving average, I get out. Basically 3 bars. And when it comes in, I add or I get out. And when it goes away from the moving average, I take profits. And when it comes back in, basically after these 3 things, the game is over. So this is a tight state to the bottom side. So when I see this big bearish elephant candle, I'm getting in under this 200. So I will be getting in here. As soon as I see this big elephant candle, I'm getting in right here. And my stop loss is too far apart. I wouldn't put my stop loss all the way up here. So what I do is, I'll make my 200 my stop loss. This is a really simple concept where you look for opportunities. I'm going to be watching this stock very carefully. I don't see any bullish signals right now except this golden cross right here, and I'm watching it very, very careful. I want to see the blue line cross the yellow line, and I want to see this stock stay above this support level before I get in. I need to have more signals. Are they going to pump this up? Are they have really good news? I'm not sure. Guys, I need you guys to be ready to take your trading to the next level. And I'm going to leave you with this. After I started losing 1 candle, I don't care what the stock does. As long as I lose 1 candle for the rest of my life, the market will give you 20 candles. The market will give you 10 candles. But you will take a loss on 1 candle for the rest of your life. This is a very important concept that traders don't understand. It's not your job to make money. It's the market's job to make money. Your job is to cut your losers fast. If you cut your losers fast, you have enough money to find other opportunities with an edge. Right now, this don't have an edge for me. So I'm not going to waste not even a penny on the 180. Nothing. Guys, listen to this. You want to lose 1 candle for the rest of your life. Don't fall in love with these things. Unless you investing and you buying Berkshire Hathaway, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Google for the long term, I wouldn't want you to get involved with